Yeah. Okay. So these are the house rules as usual. Just basically to be respectful to one another. Okay. And these are the three components of today's lesson. Vocabulary MCQs. So, guys, what is the answer to this number one? Bothered, respected, disturbed, or concerned? Bothered, disrespected, respected, disturbed, or concerned? Right, so Ian, Brian, Dong Yi, Mars, and Crystal. Mars? Oh, Mars. Are you new, Mars? Anyway, Crystal, Tommy, Subiksha, Brian, Ian. Yes, thank you. Oh, oh, you are Marine. Are you Marine or Marina? Marine. So, okay, Marine. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So today we have 15 of you, huh? And there are 10, 2/3. Oh, not bad for a start. So the answer is, well, like most of you indicated, okay, is the answer as A. Oops. Now, why is it that, oh, I can't, what happened here? Pointer options A. Interesting. I'm not able to get the pen working. No. The paper is different from what? From the one that's given to you.
The usual one is paper worksheet 24, but you skip to lesson 25.
Oh, is it supposed to be 24?
Also is different from the one you're showing.
Oh, right. It's supposed to be 24. Let me see now. But didn't we do 24 last week?
No, I think.
Let's see now. Oh, this is 24. Right. Okay. Sorry, my mistake then. Let me just okay, give me a couple minutes while I check. Yeah. Okay. All right. Oh, so we're supposed to do composition today. Okay. No problem. Let's do that then. Okay, where is this share screen? 24. Right, thank you, Brian. And that was what, Subiksha? Okay. Yeah, so grammar MCQs, visual text and composition. Oh, okay. Visual text and composition are two quite challenging paper components. Okay, so that bakery belongs to Mrs. Wong. So what's the answer for this one? So number one again, all over again. Thanks, Crystal, Marine, Brian, Subiksha, Ian. Yes, that's 5. What about the rest? Come. Key in your answer. There are only 5 of you. Okay. Is it because it's lacking in the clues? Thank Jared. The 6. And now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So all those who have responded, you are correct. Okay, it is actually D. Oh, okay. I still can't somehow or other I can't. Yeah. Okay, let me just try to settle this again first. Oh, now I know why. Okay. Great. I didn't enable editing. So I've got to enable editing. Then I'm able to do the annotations. Right. Okay, so we're in business. Okay, so it should be, doesn't it? The bakery belongs to Mrs. Wong, doesn't it? So actually, there is a kind of a does here that is sort of hiding, right? That bakery does belong to Mrs. Wong, right? The bakery belongs to Mrs. Wong, doesn't it? So if there is no helping word, all right, or does that bakery belong to Mrs. Wong, right? Can you see? Right? So you in a kind of a question, does that bakery belong to Mrs. Wong? So that means that bakery belongs to Mrs. Wong, doesn't it? Okay. So therefore the does here is missing. Okay, either it's here, if you have the doesn't it, right? Or does that bakery belong to Mrs. Wong? Okay, if it is. So let me just maybe, yeah, code it here. So this does and belong go together. All right. And then the does goes together with this. Any questions? Right. Next one. Number 2. Oh, where's the chat? It's here. What's the answer for number 2? Cats don't have 9 lives. This one should be quite easy, right? You have the clue there, the helping word there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Any more? 8 of you? There should be 15 of you, right? No, 14 of you. 8, 9, 10. Excuse me. Looks like coming down with a little bit of cold. Right, 5, 4, 3, and a 2, and a 1. Right, it should be A or B. A or B. They don't have 9 lives, do they? Okay, so the tag at the end is always the opposite to the one in the main clause. All right, same thing here. See, does, then this one becomes doesn't. Okay, so don't, then this one here becomes do. Okay, so the tag, whenever you have a tag here, it's a repetition of this helping word here, it will be the opposite. Okay. You can come to the party, can't you? Right? You can't come to the party, can you? Okay. Any questions here? Nope. Then let's go on to the next one, number 3. I'm not supposed to tell you the truth, the actual truth. Now you're getting it. Very good. Seven answers in. 7 answers in. Any more? Any more? Let's try to break the record so far, which is, I think, 10. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm not supposed to tell you the truth. So where's the helping word? Am, right? Right? Am supposed. But since this is negative, it should be positive. So am positive, right? So not, so this one must be a positive. Okay, so this is am. I am. So I'm not supposed to tell you the truth, the actual truth. Am I? Okay, so always a reversal of the subject and the verb. Subject usually comes before the verb, right? But in a question form, if you have a tag, then it would be reverse. Great. Now comes number 4. The kids would like some muffins. Come on, guys. Let's see everybody chip in and get full marks. Shall we? Everybody chip in and get full marks. How about that? Okay, okay, not bad. 8, very fast 8. How about the rest? Come. Keith. And who else? Keith and who else hasn't given it? Nabil, Zhen Yan. Yep. Good. 9. We're up to 9. Come on. 10. And a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So kids would like some. This is the helping word. All right. So it would be would. But since this is positive, we should have it as a negative here. And so where is the would negative? Wouldn't, would not, they come. Right? Will they not come? Actually, yeah, would they not come? But if you want to have a contracted, then the would and not will be together. Wouldn't they come? The kids would like some. The kids would like some muffins, wouldn't they? Wouldn't they like? Well done, well done, well done. Let's try the next one. Shall we have everybody try? Come. Everybody. 5. Tut, we shouldn't tease animals. So that's the helping verb here. Should. And it is a negative, right? Should not. And how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well done, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2. And all of you are absolutely correct. Huh? Well done. It's A. Okay. So shouldn't, it should be positive. A should, that is positive, should be. And again, there's a reversal. Right? Reversal of the subject and verb. Well done, everybody. Give yourself a pat on the back. Okay, so these are the answers. B, A, D, C, A. Well done. Let's now go to the second part, the visual texts. Again, remember, can be challenging, but if you follow that, what we do always, we practice looking at the whole visual text, okay, in the different parts, understanding the different parts, okay, parts by parts. And it shouldn't take too much time. Okay, you'll be able to get the answer the answers well, accurately, and fast. Okay, so title first, Wolf-a-thon. Wow, sounds nice, Wolf-a-thon. Okay. Straight away, you know already it's about dogs. Huh? You see, yeah, exactly. There are pictures of dogs there. And then the top right-hand corner here, Singapore Heart Foundation.